Oops.
They're flying now too? So what? They all get deleted the same way.
Alright, Shang Tsung, calm now. Couldn't hold that off.
Continues to hold.
Is that the virus? Someone has to stop them before they evolve even more. But that's not a problem here. The Rubion Forge has a clean bill of health now, so you can take over, Ratchet.
I knew you could do it, Glitch. Thank you.
Great work, Ratchet. You are all clear to power up the forge.
How do we do that?
By finding the power source. Last I saw it was down the stairs and past the pressure door, but FYI, it is a skosh spooky down there.
That's a lot of doors.
This must be where they generate the Forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Guildbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now, let's find us some Blizon.
Well, there was one in that room.
To escape.
You know, For some reason, the dimension where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
At least they have the lights on there.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving! Ratchet, I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door. But it seems very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
Huh. This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
Run!
Ow. 12 damage. That's one.
How'd he get here so fast?
There are vents everywhere.
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Done.
Amoeboids!
Oh, it's only me, boys.
Again. What is with the light?
He's right there!
That is somewhat alarming.
Biohazard resolved.
There is a research log. Let us watch.
Lock released. Glass door unlocked. Fine. See if I can. Resuming playback on
Come here! Come here! Okay, look out past the reef. I just started playing around and look! You see it? How does it swim like... Oh! Is that a hello? Wait, what are you guys doing? You're hurting it! Stop! Stop this right now! Stop!
That was Jumpbot?
And I think he was talking about juice. Let's get out of here!
Almost there.
Oh. All right. If I were Blizon,
Put the burners on.
where would I be? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa,
Ratchet, are you okay?
whoa! Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Ratchet, I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the Lombasters and risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, kid. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure it's...
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you. There! Coming towards us!
Surprised that didn't kill it off instantly.
An airlock!
Oh, it is powered. What do you know? What are the chances that Juice is going to be in here? Would you look at that?
You two want
You got
some
anything new?
gear? I got a special discount at 100 fathoms.
Ms. Zircon, what are you doing here?
If Zircon Jr. wants to study existential economics at Bogon University, then by goodness, I will make sure we can afford it.
Fair enough.
There is an increased magnetic field here. The power source must be nearby.
I have found the decorator!
We just decorate the floor with them.
Okay. There's a few of these around, aren't there? Where's one gone? Oh, there it is.
The power source is juice?
No wonder he's so mad.
We should free him.
We come in peace, big guy? Is that a happy hiss or an angry hiss?
We're about to find out.
He's helping us? He's
Good.
helping us! Man, that's a relief.
I feel like Deck in Tomb Raider Badlands when he sends the creature he's after. What is it, the Caliban?
We've got incoming juice! You can't even understand me? Finally bringing in the big guns, huh? Oh, that's a lot of big guns. Should've seen that coming. Out of ammo.
What's that, ammo?
We'll regret this insolent rebel.
Is that the only thing I have ammo for? I'll get through you, mate.
Hey, Juice. You wouldn't happen to know another way to power up the Rubion Forge, would ya?
Does he want us to follow him?
Maybe.
The glee's on. He wants to come with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all.
Give me a set juice and just looking around for some ammo. No, there is none. I might not need it anyway with a big fella here.
Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Ruby on Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC! It is me! Good old JB! Wow!
That's why he's called Juice, because he literally is the juice, because he juices it up.
Schematics uploaded.
I hate that I've only just figured that out. My brain's a bit slow sometimes.
Did it work?
Maybe. Nice.
Woo! Yes! We did it, kid! You are a good partner.
Here's the new friend.
Looks like we just need to get back to our ship now.
Oh, this elevator can take us right back to the surface? No problem. Come back soon, Ratchet and Kittles.
Thanks, and will do. Junkie. Clank! Rivet! We built the Dimensionator!
No way! Wait, we?
I knew you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us at Zerky so we can build this thing.
Alright.
How do I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed a lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
Wonder what Rivet's up to.
Hi, Ratchet. Hi, Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are
She's
you
nervous.
about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly.
You tried to add
I
extra
promise.
water?
And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right. Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.
New weapon? Ooh, oh, Warmonger! Awesome! Right, I'm gonna save up for Warmonger. Oh, ricochet bolts just over here.
What's... hey.
Hey! Yes, hi! I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you. Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
you want to,
Oh.
Thank you.
There he is.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing?
Cold.
The crowd's flooded. Anticipation. Not the one. The only. Nefarious and Superior. Ready, kid? Ready.
Another laugh! Good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
Oh, we'll see about that.
He's quite powerful, isn't he?
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat! Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Yes! Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Yes! Fall already! And let me enjoy my reign!
This is not looking good. I've got it covered. I'm totally fine. What did you do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy. Because I am him.
Yep, definitely buying that. Lucky shot.
I don't even know if that works as a general idea.
I will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is.
9.
What did you do with the Emperor?
I never met the guy. Because I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
I didn't know he was about to do that.
I will not let you or Ratchet or Clank or whoever that is on your back take my newfound glory away from me. Tough crowd. How about a change of scenery?
I don't want a change of scenery. That's a good man choice.
Two against one isn't fair. So this one's on my team.
Nice, Grunthor. Are we on Sargasso? Yep.
That's a blast.
Where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus. this.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you.
Just off of this, I think. One more.
Aye, your Emperor, more brilliant and powerful than ever.
He's good at running away, isn't he?
That's it. I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova.
Oh. Here we go.
Supernova? Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring fans.
What's he gone? He's over there. Alright, the shield doesn't defend against that.
Taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of this audience of my adoring fans. Enough of this insolence.
There you go. Oh. Oh, is that Emperor Nefarious?
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to.
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
Ah, my, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you. Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Is Quantum this version, this universe's
If
version
we are
of Captain
going to face
Quark?
the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
Alright. Using the warmonger, but I don't actually have the warmonger yet, so how do I do that? Does it loan it to me?
Thanks for coming to Zerkie's. Grab your weapon. Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe.
Hold that thought.
Make an entrance with the Bombardier.
The Bombardier.
Guaranteed for an explosive good time.
30,000.
Anyway,
The Emperor
Oh,
has always been
balls.
a threat.
Right. Survive 5 raves against the Mangler. Can use whatever I like, yeah? Wave 1. So it's 5 waves in it. Alright, it's now moving a lot quicker. There you go, I did it. I absolutely smashed it again. Feet 25 frozen amoy blades for something. I have to use the cold snap. There you go. Nice and easy, that one. The box breaker. Cool. 4 enemies using a warmonger. Do that. 4. 40. 4 waves of enemy. I think I can still use the a wrench though, can't I? Sounds like Mr. Tumble. More rocket on you. That's you gone. You need 2. The rest of you need 1 as well. And I hate you all for that. Oh, that was only wave 2. Mental. Right, 1 more wave. Look at Tender, right. One more rocket. Yeah, I got him. I beat him like that though. There we are. Got through that with skin on my teeth, but I did it. Defeat 50 pests before succumbing to the poison gas. Right.
That'll leave another cool star.
Finally, health. There you go. Another gold bolt. Defeat Skull or the Seekipede. Alright, 1 minute. Let me just have a look at what that one does. Photo mod pack 2. Okay, cool. Oh, that hurt. Chuck that one out. Give me the blast pistol. We're running out of ammo soon. Ricochet's now leveled up to Ricochet. Awesome. Wave of Doom. Come on, that way, that way. Oh, that's just leveled up actually. Oh, my fucking shoulder. Put more of these guys out. Love of Doom's on level 3 as well. That's out. That's not. Please just... Oh, we need a gun here anyway. Just a few more shots from the blast pistol. And this is over. Give me some health, just so we can go a bit longer. And there you go, we did it. Carbonox advanced. There you go.
Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat.
Hold that thought.
Right.
Make you a deal.
Well, we can only buy one weapon regardless, and I think I'd be stupid to not buy the Warmonger.
Anyway.
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
Oh, no, I didn't mean to. Sorry about that. Right then, let's get to the shuttle again. Alright, so it's going to change us to...
We are not letting the Emperor destroy my home.
Oh, we can do either. We'll head back to Sagarsa or Sadarsa, whatever it's called. Rivet's home planet.
The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just temporary. Nefarious.
It's a cool ship.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the
Any new weapons? Oh, the Black Hole Storm. I shouldn't have bought the Warmonger now. Oh well, that's fine. Bombarder, is this the one where it's like a cluster grenade? I remember this was broken in the Ratchet and Clank remake. If it is that one. No, it's not that one. But actually, I'll tell you what was broken in the Ratchet and Clank remake, if you guys do end up playing it, the Glove of Doom. If you throw that at flying enemies, the Doombots will just come out of it and they'll all explode on top of a flying enemy, and it used to do so much damage. It used to cheese the Nefarious boss fight at the end, if you ever struggled with it. But anyway, I'm going to end this off here, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in a bit.